Hi guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Okay guys, today I am going to show you top 4 foundation which I have personally used and I really like it and love it. So I thought that I will show you my top 4 foundation for now, and you can just enjoy the video and you can just decide which foundation you want to buy. Okay guys, now let's get started with the video. The first foundation which I want to talk about is the Maybelline. This is the Maybelline foundation Super Stay full coverage 24-hour foundation. You have seen me using in all the videos, and the foundation is really very nice. In short, I want to tell you that this foundation will really give you coverage with low price, like it's a very affordable foundation, and the coverage it gives you is really awesome. You should give it a try. If you have not tried it till yet, then you should give it a try. In affordable range, this is the best foundation I have found, and I have used almost 2 bottles of this foundation. I have done a review also on this foundation. You can just go on and check it out. I will list everything below in the description box below so that you can go and check it out. So in short, I want to tell you that the foundation is really very good. The foundation retails for I think around 700 or something. The price range is really very good. The coverage it gives you is also very good, and the amount you need to apply on the face is also very little, and this will give you very nice coverage. Yes, it can be little drying for some people, but you can just moisturize whenever you're doing any foundation. You really need to moisturize your skin very properly, and this foundation will do wonders on your skin in less price. So this is the affordable range foundation, and it will really give you very nice coverage. Please do try this foundation. So this is my first foundation which I want to talk about, and it's really very affordable. You just can give it a try. It really glides on your skin whenever you apply this, and you have to blend it very quickly. And the detailed talk about this foundation I have done in my video. You can just go and check it out. For now, from my side, this is a nice foundation. You can just give it a try. If you want an affordable foundation, then you can give it a try on this foundation. Okay guys, so the first one I have shown you is Maybelline Super Stay foundation from Maybelline. Okay guys, the second foundation which I really love, and it's also from affordable range, is more than Maybelline, but it's really also very good, and I personally use this foundation very much because people who love dewy effect on their skin and they love like no makeup look, then this is the foundation for you guys. I'm talking about this foundation, LA Girl Pro Coverage High Definition Foundation Long Wear Illuminating Foundation. The foundation itself says that it's an illuminating foundation, and it really gives you very glowy effect whenever you apply this foundation, and it will give you no makeup look, but yet it will just give you a coverage which you need, and it is just a savior for me. I love using this foundation. It glides on very smoothly. The foundation retails for I think around 1100 or something. I will list everything below, the price and everything, so that you can go and check it out. The foundation glides on the skin very smoothly. It will give you a medium to full coverage, but yes, if you love no makeup look, then this is the foundation for you guys. It will give you a very illuminating effect on your skin. People who love dewy skin, you should give it a try on this foundation. This foundation can be used for dry skin, combination skin. Really highly suggesting you to buy this foundation, and it's also from affordable range. It's a little higher than Maybelline, but it's also worth trying. This is for 1100 or something. I will just give everything in the description box below, so you can just check the price and everything. So from my side, you should give it a try. It's an illuminating foundation, and it will really give you very dewy effect on your skin. Okay guys, so the next up foundation which I want to talk about is from MAC. You have seen I have done a review on this foundation in detail. I have shown you what the coverage and everything is about, so you can go and just check it out, that video. So the MAC foundation shade I am using is NC20, and this foundation is Studio Fix Fluid SPF 15 foundation. MAC is also, everybody knows, is a very nice cosmetic brand, and it really makes very good products. So for their foundation is also very nice, and it's very raved about also. This will give you full coverage. For me, it gives full coverage, but I don't know about some people. Some people says it's medium to high full coverage, but for me it gives me full coverage, and it is also very nice. It glides on your skin very smoothly. it will give you very nice effect whenever you apply this. It will give you very photogenic face like look, and it will not make your face look very cakey. So this retails for I think around 2900 or something. You can just give it a try. I will link everything below, and it has SPF with this. That's a very good point of this. The drawback of this foundation is, which I have told in my video also when I was doing the review, it doesn't have any pump. So that's a drawback, and rest everything is good. So you can just give it a try on this foundation, MAC. You can see. So this is the third foundation I want to talk about, and I have been personally using it. That's why I'm showing you. Okay guys. The fourth and the last foundation I want to talk about is this Huda Beauty foundation. Now Huda Beauty, everybody knows. Now Huda Beauty is literally, some people love this foundation and some people doesn't like this foundation. So this foundation, I have done a review on this foundation as well. You can just go and check it out. This foundation in short is a full coverage, high coverage foundation. Whenever you will apply this foundation, it will really cover all your dark circles, your acne marks, your scar marks, everything, whatever is whatever problem you have on your skin, this will cover everything. It's a very nice foundation. I really love this foundation, and these are the only my thoughts on the foundation I am showing you. I do some people don't like, because it sometimes if you don't blend it properly, it may look little cakey. But as of now, it doesn't look cakey on me. I've been using this foundation for almost more than 5 to 6 months, and I really love this foundation. Some people may feel it turns out to be cakey because you are not blending it properly. Please try to blend properly, then it will really give you nice finish. And you have to apply a proper moisturizer whenever you are using this foundation. Then this will give you very nice effect. You have to just blend it properly, and whenever you are applying this foundation, just do it very fast. Just blend it properly. It will give you high coverage foundation, and it is a very nice foundation from my side. So yeah, you should give it a try on this foundation. This foundation retails for 3,300 or something. The procs and the prices I have told you are approx. You can just check below in the description box, so that you know the perfect price what are they. Okay guys, so this is also a very nice foundation. You can give it a try. Okay guys, so I have shown you the 4 foundation which I really love, and I have tried it personally and tested it, and that's why I'm giving you an honest review. These are my top 4 foundations. I have done a review on all these 4 foundations. You can just go and check it out, all the videos, so that you know the detailed look and the foundation, how it looks on the skin and everything. The shade I'm using in this Huda Beauty is Latte 300N. In LA Girl, shade I am using is nude beige. In LA Girl, shade is nude beige. In Superstay is 220 natural beige shade I am using. You can see. And in MAC, I have told you I am using NC20. This all are the 4 shades I am using for the foundation. Okay guys, I hope you like this video, and I hope this information was useful to you. If you want me to do any more reviews, please let me know in the comment section below, so that I'll do it for you. Okay guys, bye, take care, stay healthy, and do come here for more such videos. Bye guys, take care.